welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've finished the 5-panel from Fansells. I wasn't sure if I'd lined it up right, but actually looking at it through the camera, I think I have. So I have cut round each panel as I did them. So I did it once I'd finished. It wasn't something that I did at the beginning. I just find it easier to work on it with a little bit of canvas around it. But yeah, that's pretty striking. This would look nice on foam board as well, similar to what I've done before. Potentially all as one piece, maybe lined up so that it'd all sit together, or maybe with that little bit of a gap, and you could maybe put that on your wall and have it, you know, have whatever paint you've got behind it showing through. But I thought I'd show you, of course, what it looks like finished. Diamonds wise, I've got loads left. So these two I didn't fill. I'd actually put these diamonds in, and I actually had the rest of another kit in it at the time, so that's why they're a bit higgledy-piggledy. Low on some, but you know, it wasn't a colour that was used loads anyway. The ones that were used a lot, there is a lot of diamonds left, so no fear about running out for that. I think I started with this one because it had the most block sort of colour, and then I worked my way across so that it just varied it up a little bit when I was doing it. Very confetti-ish on this one. This was probably the most confetti-ish one that I had, as you can imagine, to get the design. But I'm really happy with the way that's turned out. I do think that that has, you know, is a good reflection of the image that was there originally. So in case you're thinking of getting this one, I'll pop, of course, a link to it, provided it's still available, in the description below. But no problem on the numbers of the amounts that were left. The diamonds were really nice to work with. I didn't have any problems. There was hardly any that I sort of got rid of, just because they, you know, had a little bit of excess plastic on, but not many at all. And I do think it's turned out really well. I mean, if you look, you know, you can look at one of them closely and, you know, you're not seeing any of the symbols underneath, and it's giving you the shine. What more can you ask for? And it looks like it's supposed to. So yeah, quick one from me again, but I like to show you all what they look like when they're done. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.